Hello everyone, I am Joseph Valebres, a BSHM third year student, and today I will prepare a recipe from North American cuisine, specifically in Canada. And this dish is called Canadian maple salmon.
Cedar-plank maple salmon is a fish delicacy that involves cooking salmon on cedar planks, a unique method of cooking that is believed to have been originally practiced by Native Americans who mostly use western red cedar or a type of cypress.
So for the ingredients, we have here 2 slices of salmon, maple syrup, lemon juice, mustard, butter, green onions, garlic, and cornstarch dissolved in water, soy sauce, vinegar or balsamic vinegar, pepper, and salt to taste.
Since our ingredients are now ready, let us now proceed to cooking. In a small pan, simmer maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, soy sauce, garlic, and salt, pepper to taste. After it simmers, let it cool. Next, prepare a frying pan to fry the salmon. Arrange scallion greens in one layer on a plank or in a frying pan to form a bed for fish. In another small saucepan, heat half of glaze over a low heat until heated through to use as a sauce. Stir in remaining tablespoon lemon juice. Then after, remove the pan from heat and keep the sauce warm and covered. Next, put the salmon skin side down on scallion greens and brush with remaining glaze. Season the salmon with salt and pepper and roast in the middle of oven until just cooked through. About 20 minutes if using baking pan or about 35 minutes if using plank. So right after we bake the salmon, we now proceed to our plating presentation.
So at this point, I am with Miss Jessa Saldaga for a taste test. So first, I will introduce my dish, and this is called Canadian maple salmon. So on the left side, I put some sauce on the top of the salmon, and in the salmon, I garnish it with the peppermint. And here, I put 2 slices of lemon on the side, and on the right side, I put some mustard and peppermint to add some version of colors.
Okay.
So you can now have your taste test.
Dito kanina matabo ipon. It's really good. I like the sauce. It's so sweet. And the salmon, it's tender and well seasoned. And I like the combination of both. It's very delicious.
Tinder naman eh.
Yeah.
I think for me, it's also delicious. Actually, it's my first time to cook with this kind of dish.
Mm-hmm.
And for the sauce, it fits perfectly to the salmon.
Yeah, it's really good.
So I think that would be all of this video. So see you on next cooking session.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kulay.
Ay, may dia. Makukatulog ako.
Mm.